不了多少，100块才差哪3块？
对了。Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we are at Macau at the moment. This is a road tour, and one of the places we are heading to is Wong Chi Kei. Here is a famous place where you can eat. Wong Chi Kei was founded in 1940. It's almost 100 years old. As of today, it's around 86 years old.
在哪个广场？
这人是等巴士啊，这样多人
啊？
他们是在等巴士吗？这些人？
对，今天礼拜六啊，很多人现在都是等巴士多啊。那在里面走过去，转走。来，
Here we are at the city center. Some of the older buildings here. If you love historical stuff, you'll love this place. Left. There are a lot of tourists around here, so let's check and see where's that restaurant.
AV 不是站着有人吗？哦，那个
Macau 先住咧，就再慢慢就 explore。
你那个唔喺度啊，你係多節夠。
啊？是啊。After a bit of navigation, here we are at Wong Chi Kei. I have to wait, so this is my number 149, and currently it's around 134. There you see a lot of people here crowding up. This is where you get to wait for your number, and that's on the screen is the number that is being called. When it's your number, you just walk to the cashier and they'll bring you to your table.
Okay.
It's currently another couple of numbers to 149, which is my number. Here is a souvenir stand. You can buy some souvenirs while you wait. They're famous. Now we're here. We waited for around 1 hour, and now we're going to head to the second floor, and we're going to share a table later. 没有。 We're sitting next to a Korean couple in front of us, and one of the most famous thing here at Wong Chi Kei is the fried wonton. They have fried the skin that looks quite big in size. This is their fried kway with some beef inside. I ordered pork chop with rice. The next dish is what they're famous from. This is the fried wonton. It's quite big, the skin here, and it's quite crispy. The texture is different from what normally is fried. It has this more floury taste. After our meal, which was around 20 minutes, we are here to pay and explore Macau City here. One of the most anticipated place is going to be the ruins of Saint Paul. So the next place that I'm heading to is the ruins of Saint Paul. The first thing is to find the location of it. This vlog will end very soon. Thank you very much for watching. The next video is we're going to head to the ruins of St. Paul, and it is very crowded. I did not expect it to be that crowded.
Boss. Đi 看吧。